a drop of golden sand.
Hi, I'm Al, and I'm a science interpreter here at the Franklin Institute. For today's Spark of Science, I want to talk about the relationship between your voice and the air. When you speak, rapid vibrations of your vocal cords create sound. Those flaps interrupt the flow of air as it moves out of your lungs. Those flaps can also collide, creating sounds of different speeds or frequencies. The vibration of your vocal cords, the collision of those flaps, and the shape of your vocal tract determine the sound quality or the timbre of your voice. Every person has a unique timbre. But did you know that the timbre of your voice can also be affected by the air that your voice is traveling through? Most of us are used to hearing sounds traveling through nitrogen and oxygen, the two main components of our atmosphere. But you may also be familiar with the effect that helium can have on your voice. Helium is a lighter gas. Those molecules are lighter than nitrogen and oxygen. This means that sound can travel faster through helium than regular air. But this does not mean that higher frequencies are being created by helium. Instead, the higher frequencies that already exist in your voice are amplified. Additionally, if you have a heavier gas, something like sulfur hexafluoride, it amplifies the lower frequencies of your voice. But you don't have to take my word for it. I have my friend Jackie here to demonstrate it for you.
Hi, Al.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
And which one is this?
This one is yours. So
Sulfur hexafluoride.
Sulfur hexafluoride.
Awesome.
So I have a balloon here filled with helium. And like Al said, we are going to demonstrate what it does to our voices.
Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You're going to start it off for
I'll
us?
start it off. Ready?
A deer, a female deer.
Ray, a drop of golden sand.
Me, a name. I'll call myself.
A long, long way to run.
So a needle pulling thread.
Lion, don't you follow soul.
Tea, a drink with jam and bread.
And that'll bring us back to do, 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 do.
Do.